FA1 Key Terms. Part A. Chapter 3, B. Recording, summarizing and posting transactions. General Ledger. General ledger is the accounting record which summarizes the financial affairs of a business. It contains details of assets, liabilities and capital, income and expenditure, and also profit and loss. It consists of a large number of different ledger accounts, each account having its own purpose or name and an identity or code. Another name for the general ledger is the nominal ledger. Posting. Posting means to enter transactions in ledger accounts in the general ledger from books of prime entry. Often this is done in total, i.e. all sales invoices in the sales day book for a day are added up and the total is posted to the total receivables account, but individual transactions also are posted, for example non-current assets. Personal accounts. Personal accounts include details of transactions which have already been summarized in ledger accounts. For example, sales invoices are recorded in sales and total receivables, payments to suppliers in the cash and total payables accounts. The personal accounts do not therefore form part of the double entry system, as otherwise transactions would be recorded twice over, i.e. 2 debits and 2 credits for each transaction. They are memorandum accounts only. Receivables ledger. Receivables ledger consists of a number of personal receivable accounts. They are separate accounts for each individual customer, and they enable a business a continuous record of how much a customer owes the business at any time. Payables ledger. Payables ledger, like the receivables ledger, consists of a number of personal payable accounts. These are separate accounts for each individual supplier, and they enable a business to keep a continuous record of how much it owes each supplier at any time. Control account. Control account is an account in the general ledger in which a record is kept of the total value of a number of similar but individual items. Control accounts are used chiefly for receivables and payables. They should agree with the total of the individual balances and act as a check to ensure that all transactions have been recorded correctly in the individual ledger accounts. Receivables ledger control account. Receivables ledger control account, also known as the total receivables account, is a control account in which records are kept of transactions involving all receivables in total. It is posted with totals from the sales day book and the cash book. The balance on the total receivables account at any time will be the total amount due to the business at that time by its credit customers, and will agree with the total of the receivables ledger accounts. Payables ledger control account. Payables ledger control account, also known as the total payables account, is an account in which records are kept of transactions involving all payables in total, being posted with totals from the purchase day book and the cash book. The balance on the total payables account at any time will be the payables ledger control accounts. Batch processing. Batch processing is where similar transactions are gathered into batches, and then each batch is sorted and processed by the computer. Control totals. Control totals are used to make sure that there have been no errors when the batch is inputted. A control total is used to make sure that the total value of transactions input is the same as that previously calculated. Computer programs. Computer programs are the instructions that tell the electronics how to process data. The general term used for these is software. Module. Module is a program which deals with one particular part of a business accounting system.